I think we are in live.
Yes.
Yeah, we are live. A very good evening, all of you guys. Welcome to an academy. Welcome to the Creatics channel. Today we have the panel discussion with the panel members, the B V Reddy sir and also Shreya sir. I think sir has some technical issue, so sir will be joining soon. We will be continuing with the discussion today. So, how are you all, guys? Kindly share this piece of information with all your friends so that everybody able to join, guys. So, welcome to the session, BV sir. Welcome to Creatrix. Welcome to the session, sir.
So, thank you, sir. And first of all, a grand welcome to all my dear students. So, and all of you try to share the link to all your friends. And today we are going to have a great session. So, we are going to discuss about the opportunities and so how as a student how you need to build your career for your career growth and all.
Yeah, great.
Right.
We can say in a nutshell, today what we are going to discuss is all about. So there are many students who worry regarding the number of opportunities available these days for the engineering students. Okay, fine. If the number of opportunities are really less, then what they need to do, what kind of skills they need to develop parallel with the other. Why should they rely on someone for the opportunities? Why can't to make they can? Why can't they make on their own? Why can't they take other opportunities? All these things, all these exciting things, we are going to discuss today. So don't miss this session, guys. We are waiting for you. So meanwhile, I'll be discussing something regarding the an academy subscription. Meanwhile, the other students will also join so that we can continue after that. Okay, fine. So So you can see this is the great offer right now present with an academy, guys. If you take an academy subscription of 1 year or above, you will be getting 6 months extra plus subscription. Not only that, one more great offer is 6 months. If you take the academy subscription, you will be getting 3 months for free. So this is really great because if you want to take prepare for GATE 2023, hardly you need to take just 6 months. Subscription and pay for 29,000, but you can prepare up to GATE 2023. Similarly, if you take for 12 months or 18 months, you can prepare, you continue your preparation up to GATE 2024 by this extra 6 months. You can see the prices and you can see how much you can save, almost like 50% you can save. So you can use any of our educators code, your favorite code, favorite educator code. It can be Shankar 10 sir, B V Reddy sir, sir, your code, sir.
B V Reddy.
Yeah, B V Reddy. You can use any of your favorite educator code and you can subscribe to an academy. You can also have the loan if you have any difficulty regarding your prices. You can take approval of the loan within just 2 hours. Just contact the number 8585 all 85s. Okay, you can get 0% interest EMI without any credit card. You can book these many number of mentorship sessions if you take iconic subscription with an academy, and all these are the features of an academy special classes compared to YouTube. If you want to interact with the educators, you want to chat with one to one with the educators, and you want to respond to tools and check your performance, you want to notes, all these features are available with the special classes. BV sir, me, every single educator, we are taking many free special classes. You can utilize that opportunity also. आपके अनअकैडमी पे आपको डेली स्कॉलरशिप भी चल रहा है भाई. आपको रैंक 1 मिलेंगे तो आपको 50% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगा आपका प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन पे. दे बेस्ड ऑन योर रैंकिंग यू मे गेट 30%, 15% और अप टू 10% डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर रैंकिंग ऑन द टेस्ट. So you can practice for GATE and ESC with the PYQs of an academy. You can enroll, you can contact all 85s. Okay, this is the community feature. You can join through an academy home page. You can click on community discover and you can follow your favorite educator. Okay, these are the batches going to start tomorrow, guys. If you want to start your GATE journey, you can start your preparation with engineering maths, or if you have already prepared something, you can start your core journey with electrical machines. And also, this is also going to start tomorrow, right? All these are our toppers from GATE and ESC this particular year. So all these are the advantages with an academy plus subscription, where you get the top educator classes, multiple educators for every single subject, where you can choose your favorite educator. You'll be getting the doubt clearing sessions, study notes, test series. All these are free. Other than this, if you go for iconic, you may get the physical notes, one-to-one mentorship, and strategy program also. So these are the things I want to give. You can use your favorite educator code and join to an academy plus or iconic according to your requirement, right? So now let's continue with our discussion. So guys, share this piece of information with many students so that everybody will be getting the what we call opportunity to learn something great today. Okay, so yes, sir. Let's start with the what we call this one our discussion. So my first question, students, if you have any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you can add it in the chat box. I will be answering, or BV sir will be answering for your questions. So all you need to do is just post any random question regarding the opportunities, what kind of fears you have, all those things you can happily text in the chat box. So let me start with the session. So BV sir, I want to ask you few questions. You can give the suggestions to our students. So many students are looking for some sort of opportunities. I think from last few years they are worrying a lot regarding the number of opportunities with the PSUs, ESC, etc. Compared to the previous years, they feel that the number of opportunities are declining with number. So they are what kind of expectations they can have this year, sir?
Yeah, first of all, the student should not think like that. Student, for the student, he needs only one job. If there is at least one vacancy is there, so he has to think, yes, that vacancy is for me only.
Okay.
So I will occupy that vacancy. The student has to feel. So here there are only, let us say 10 jobs are there. Only top 10 members will get. I won't get this thing. So this type of attitude students should avoid it. Even though there is only one job is there, yes, I need to crack that job. I need to learn the subject. So once the student has learned the subject, then only the thing is the student has to focus about, so only not particular one this exam. He has to learn the subject. Once he learn the subject, so any exam he can able to crack it. So here the knowledge whatever the student has gained, so that will be definitely be helpful in future. The student always has to focus about the learning the subject. I have seen so many students, even though they are not that much success in GATE, but with the help of the subject what they learn, they are in very good position. So still they used to call me, they used to message me, sir, I'm in this position, I'm in a very good position because of this thing. I learned so many subjects, this thing, like they used to say. So we'll feel very happy for them. The ultimate thing is the student always has to think about the learning the subject. He should not feel, any other things. He has to focus about the learning subjects. And the students have it. So all the government PSUs are going to privatize, and what's going to happen in that. Even though the privatization happened, so but those companies also employees are required. Obviously, though private companies also can recruit the students. Obviously, employees are required. So whoever the fellows in the private companies, even so whoever have it knowledge, and those fellows can survive more.
Okay, sir.
Isn't it?
Right. So that's the insight from BV Reddy sir. So all you need to do is concentrate on your skills rather than worrying about the number of opportunities. So that might make sense with our title also. You, if opportunity doesn't knock, you can make your own door. Okay, fine. So okay, it might be strange. You may feel that sir, only one opportunity. How can I get it? All those things actually sir want to. What sir means is you don't worry about the number of opportunity, but your quality is good. Many people who prepare don't prepare consistently. At least 90% of the people are not serious with their preparation. So the remaining 10% who work hard, they always succeed. At least what with our experience we can say, out of many students whoever work regularly hard with a sufficient hard work, they will definitely succeed. And also, sir, we have seen in the recent developments there are some good number of opportunities are going to come. We have seen some tweets also, 15 lakh opportunities are going to come. And we have seen already Airport Authority of India released 400 plus opportunities.
Yes, 400 vacancies.
Yes, sir. In Telangana state also, I think around 200 opportunities are there with TSPDCL, the Telangana State Power Distribution. Relatively compared to the last year, we are seeing, I feel that good number of opportunities. So what's your stand on this, sir? VV, sir?
Yeah, so now I think so here. So So this is a time for the many opportunities. So I think so definitely in this 1 2 years, there's too many notifications will release.
Yeah.
So every state is going to release the notification, even in the central government jobs also. And as we might see this yesterday, the PMO office, we got information. So there's a 10 lakh members are going to be recruited within 1 year, 1 to 1.5 year. More than 10 lakh members are going to recruit, and this is the time for recruitment. So once you are get ready with the subject, whatever the recruitment is going to happen, so then you will be clear those things. So all of it, get ready with your preparations.
Yeah. So guys, so immediately after getting the notifications, you may not be able to prepare and crack the exams. हमेशा आप ऐसा होना चाहिए, आप इसके पहले से तैयार होके you should be ready. When notification release, you must be able to crack it. Many people recently selected in UP, Uttar Pradesh Polytechnic lecturers. So there are many students who settled in Bar, Khechal. There are n number of opportunities, and keeping this public sector aside, we have seen this year enormous growth with the opportunities for the Mtech students, those who did their Mtech from IITs. Sir, we are seeing this time great growth with respect to software and VLSI industry. Many of our students cracked in all Qualcomm and all those companies with 30 plus lakhs package initially also. So what kind of skills the student should develop, sir? Other than their regular engineering, what they need to concentrate on all these kind of for all these kind of examinations.
Yes. So first of all, the student should have a strong in the fundamentals. The
Yeah.
fundamental subjects like we used to say as one of my students. So here he joined in a very small company in Bangalore. So with a basic package he joined. Now after 2 years of his experience, after he improved his skills in the VLSI domain, now he got an offer of 60 lakhs package.
Yeah.
So he joined
Okay.
just for 6 lakh he joined. Now he got an offer of 60 lakhs package. Now even some other, if we are planning, if we going for other countries, Malaysia, Japan, they are paying the double to that also. Now the things are like this, the student, so he used to say here, the only thing is the student has to learn about the basic subject like EDC, NLR, networks, controls. Okay, if we have a basic knowledge we have, then you can crack any interview. VLSA technology, and right now this is completely VLSA domain embedded system. There's a n number of opportunities are in the private sector, and once you have a basic knowledge, then you can easily crack. Even though starting packages are maybe less, but once you got a very good experience, once you learn the knowledge and all, you will be settled in very high package you can say.
Yeah. So if your basics are good, like your gate preparation will definitely help to acquire all these necessary skills, whatever we can say. So आपका basic सही से होना चाहिए भाई. So initially, maybe I mean what we want to say is there are opportunities everywhere, not in the public domain or public sector or private sector. You don't have that kind of bias. All the opportunities are equally good. They have the new challenges you can face. In any case, you can serve the country by doing your work in a proper way, and definitely. So guys, there is a small issue with my internet. I think now it is fine.
Guys, if you have any doubts, you can post your queries, and we are ready to answer all your queries. If you have any other, if you want to discuss any other things, you can discuss.
Sir, I'm just
Any
checking.
queries?
I'm just checking the audio quality whether it is fine or not, sir. So guys, can you confirm me our audio is clear, smooth, everything is fine? Otherwise, I'll just make the switch the connection, and where you can feel your what we call your what we call experience better. Is it fine? My audio, video, everything is fine. Please confirm. Or is there कुछ stuck हो रहा है ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है? Please comment here. Yeah, Guru, sufficient time you are having. So kindly confirm the audio. Is it okay? Devi Charan, can you comment on this so that we can proceed further easily? Okay, sir. I think there is no issue. We can continue. Fine, sir.
Yeah, fine.
So other than this, what we want to say is don't worry about the number of opportunities, guys. We have seen many students are facing this kind of difficulty. They have some sort of depression that the number of opportunities are less, competition ज़्यादा हो रहा है, मेरा preparation सही से नहीं चल रहा है. ये सभी छोड़ के आपका preparation अच्छे से continue करो. Opportunities are really good compared to the last years. We can see better number of opportunities this year, and also on the other hand, private sector also students are getting almost very good placement. Many Mtech students who did their Mtech from IITs, they got 100% placement. So this is a positive sign for you guys, and this way you can now start your journey of the preparation with a positive motto. So VV sir, one more question from my side. Okay, so one, I think Devi Charan started his preparation in the month of May. He completed two subjects. So if a student want to continue his preparation with one or two subjects completed, the available time is sufficient, sir, to continue his preparation.
Yeah, David Chetan, so you have completed only two subjects you are saying, right? So then what we can do, if we can able to plan the serious preparation, so like now onwards, at least you can start doing the every, so two subject parallel, two to three subject parallel, you can able to do that one by, I think so by November or October ending, you can able to easily finish the complete syllabus. And if you are ECE, and if you are electrical, I think so syllabus is a little more compared to ECE. That
Just one moment, sir.
they complete the syllabus. The only thing is what we can do here, try to run the two to three subject parallelly. Then you can able to complete the syllabus within a time.
No problem, sir. Now it's fine. Actually, there is some glitch with power supply. Okay, fine. So EC only, Devi Charan is from EC only. So there is no issue. You can happily continue your preparation. The available time is definitely sufficient. So SAR का suggestion तो ये है, कम से कम दो subject at a time you can start your preparation journey, which will definitely help you. So, sir, what's your suggestion or stand if they want to start their preparation from June? So it might be, yeah,
Yeah.
definitely we should accept
If
they
they
don't
want to
have.
start
Yes,
okay, if they want to start the preparation from the June onwards,
yeah,
then the thing is the fellow has to continue minimum of two to three subjects he has to continue, and if it is required, at the last month. So if you are doing the job, also you need to take the break for the last month, the December, January. Then you can do the more revision you can able to allot it. Then that is the best suggestion I used to say.
one more point, sir. So those who are going for placements with their B.tech, so some of the students are getting good software opportunities with 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs per annum. So what's your suggestion? Is it worth to prepare for GATE and go for Mtech? They can go for the placement. They got it immediately with their B.tech.
Yeah.
Sir.
So with the so the thing is the students generally students will think once they complete the engineering, if they just got 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, they feel that yeah we get a salary then I will relax and that. So but the thing is you don't know here after once you join in the, after completion of 1 year of your job, then the other fellows whatever your friends are there they are in very good high package and you will get frustrated with this what are the job you are doing. So whatever you have studied, you are not at all satisfied what you are doing right now. So that's why what we need to do here, you need to learn the skills and you have to plan the preparation for a gate. And once you have entered into IITs, then there's very good packages and very good salaries are there. You can place in the minimum of 10 times whatever you are getting in engineering.
Okay.
So better. So what we can do here, try to seriously do the preparations. Even because of so many, let us we can say, because of financial issue, you are not able to continue. Yes, you along with the job, you try to continue preparations. So within 1 2 years, you get a better rank. Then you can shift to the IITs. You can complete your masters. Then you can join. then 10 to 15 times you will get a very good opportunity.
Yes. Right. So one more thing, I want to add some points to BV sir, whatever he has given the suggestion. Some people might be having this kind of doubt. सर मैं तो गेट के प्रिपेयर कर रहा हूँ, इसके पैरेलल में मेरे प्लेसमेंट्स का प्रिपरेशन भी चल रहा है सर, क्या करना, कॉलेज पे प्लेसमेंट्स पे जाना, गेट पे जाना, ऐसा कुछ कंफ्यूजन पे है सर, कैन आई फोकस ओनली ऑन गेट or I can prepare for both gate and placement. So if you want to do all this stuff, okay. So if you are really very confident with your gate preparation, don't think or look back about any other opportunity. You don't need any second chance or second way for your goal. But one thing I can say is, if you are not really confident, or if you feel that your syllabus may not be able to complete all this stuff is in your mind, in that case maybe you can prepare placements also and gate also, but you cannot, your time is limited, you cannot dedicate for both of them. सो आप क्या करना, आपका कॉलेज पे जो टाइम मिलते हैं ना, आपको कॉलेज का समय पे 1 घंटा 2 घंटा ड्यूरिंग योर कॉलेज टाइम प्रिपेयर फॉर द प्लेसमेंट. घर आने के पास वंस यू कम टू योर होम, यू शुड नॉट प्रिपेयर एनी अदर सब्जेक्ट, केवल और केवल आपका गेट ही प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए. सो उतना टाइम तो कंपलसरी देना चाहिए, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक द एग्जाम, बिकॉज you are competing with those who are droppers, those who are preparing full day, and you need to compete with them and you need to make best among all those students. So इसके लिए आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम देना चाहिए. So want to go for placements, it's good, you can go, make little more hard work, but don't compromise your gate preparation for the placements is another suggestion from me. So all these things, what we can conclude from us is, we want to say, your number of opportunities are definitely great and doing good these days. So all you need to do is focus on your skills right from your second year, right from your third year. You start your preparation journey for the gate exam or whatever. Make your preparation journey as confident as possible. Don't think of all these fluctuations in the market. All those things should not take your thinking outside. Okay, so any other suggestion from your side, sir, regarding the confidence of the students? When we say all these things, students are always having some sort of fear in their mind. So how they can remove their fear from the mind, sir? Is it through a proper preparation or whatever your suggestions, sir?
Yes, basically the students have a strong why I am doing this thing, what I am doing here. Whatever you are doing right now, that is for your future. First point you have to remember this thing. And so I agree that you are doing a lot of struggle, you are sacrificing this thing. All your friends are going to the movies, etc., you are doing. Now you are compromising all your time and you are seriously preparing. Whatever you are doing and put little more effort, definitely will get success. Only thing is, okay, aim for your dream, have a great dream and work for it seriously. Okay? All the rest.
Yeah. So this is what we want to give you from our side, guys. All मैं तो ये बोलना चाहिए आपको, improve your confidence. No need to worry, no need to depress with the number of opportunities. Definitely, we are feeling some positive vibes with respect to number of opportunities available with different notifications coming up. So all these things are definitely showing some positive vibes. So definitely prepare well, guys. Even in private industry also these days you are getting a really great jobs with the less experience itself. You are getting a great packages which are beyond your expectations. So improve your skills, guys. Prepare for any exam. It doesn't matter whether it is a gate or any other, whatever it might be. You continue your preparation in the best possible way. Concentrate every single day. Don't encourage any kind of negativity around you. Okay. All the very best for your great future. So thank you, BV sir, for sharing all your insights with our students. Definitely, it will be helpful for them to achieve something great. So students, you have any other questions from your side? You can ask for a few minutes. Then we can end the session. Any kind of queries? Any questions? Thank you, Sharon. Thank you all. Any other questions by anyone? So definitely, Ankit, but you are in EC or electrical core. That you tell me. VLSI, etc., machine learning. Okay, these are definitely doing great these days. Undoubtedly doing great with far beyond expectations. The packages are going on. Okay, so present situation is definitely favorable. Okay. Electrical also, Ankit, you may go for power electronics, electrical vehicles are dominating these days. Definitely, if you do some research in that area, I feel you have some great future for sure. Okay. I feel that the questions are done. Are any other questions? Sir,
Fine.
I think they are done, sir. We can end the session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Thank you all of you.
Thank you.
Okay
Thank you,
then.
sir. Good night, all. Good night, everyone. See you soon in another session.